McKay should have been in prison for 25 years to life. No exceptions, no early release. That's what California's 3 strikes law guarantees. But a judge reduced his bail anyway. McKay walked free, then he missed his own sentencing, and the system let him go again. No consequences. Weeks later, Officer Isaiah Cordderero pulled over a truck with no license plate. The most routine stop imaginable, he never went home. This is the story of a system that failed, and the officer who paid for it with his life.
They're in probably at the house.
Huh?
They're probably at the house.
Probably?
Yeah.
Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? And here's your driver's license and the registration.
My license is in my...
I'm sorry?
My license is in my bag.
Okay.
Can I grab it?
Yeah.
Sorry, everything's just such a mess in here.
I can see.
Sorry about that, boss.
A witness contacted 911 as nearby residents rendered aid to Officer Cordderero while awaiting the arrival of backup units and emergency medical personnel.
Hold off on the roll call, keep the air clear, and keep the...
Approximately 6 p.m. on December 29, 2022, in Jurupa Valley, a quiet city just east of Los Angeles. Riverside County Sheriff's Department motorcycle officer Isaiah Cordderero is on patrol when he spots a truck with no license plate. Standard procedure. He pulls the driver over. The driver seems cooperative, says his license is in his bag, asks permission to grab it. Isaiah says yes, and that's when everything goes wrong. A witness nearby hears the shot and immediately calls 911. Residents rush over to help, but by the time backup arrives, Isaiah is already on the ground, not moving, not responding.
Isaiah! Hey. Isaiah, can you hear us, brother?
Can you hear me?
Isaiah, can you hear
Can you
us?
hear us? Hey, listen to me. Can you hear me?
No, I didn't. I just talked.
Can you hear me? Hey, listen to me.
Now,
Hey. Can you hear me? Hey, listen. Hey. Can we get this off? I got nowhere. I don't have anything. No idea what happened. I don't know if I can't tell if he's breathing or not.
Get them back. Have them scoot back.
I can't tell if he's breathing. I got a lock up and out.
Hey, get my
There you go.
AED. There you go. AED.
AED now. Cut the strap. Got it.
The radio traffic alone tells you everything. Officers arriving on scene, voices cracking. They're not talking, they're not responding. Isaiah's helmet is still on. Someone radios. I can't tell if he's breathing. Fellow officers drop to their knees beside him. They scream his name over and over. Isaiah, can you hear us, brother? They get the AED out. They do everything right, but Isaiah Cordderero cannot be saved. He is pronounced dead at a nearby hospital. And every officer on that radio, they now have one single mission. Find the man who did this.
Hold on, let him pass in, Brian. Just step in.
Okay, he passed by 4th, continuing southbound.
Get in!
60 miles per hour.
Get in it!
Copy, continuing southbound.
Purpose at 86 and 81 are in the pursuit.
1 mile out for the spikes. Shane, give some space.
Now's the time.
Copy,
If we're
heavy
gonna pit him,
traffic
we gotta pit him.
Chris, are the spikes coming from the shoulder or center divider?
Shoulder, we can't get to the center, it's just the car pulling.
Copy.
I'm gonna move up and cut this dude off.
These are approximately 55, still no traffic, number 1 and 2 lanes. Bearcat coming up behind you guys. Traffic approximately a half a mile, still eastbound, number 3 lane, speed of approximately 55.
Keep an eye out for spikes.
I don't see anybody. I don't see any.
I think he said Golden West.
That's past traffic.
That's going to be approaching heavy traffic. Speeds are approximately 50, number 3 lane.
Lights.
Let that Bearcat up front.
Stop 6 at Golden West and Mission.
Holder, watch your right or left. Stop 6 are deployed. Vehicles behind them, be advised.
See step 6
I don't see him. I don't see him.
Good guy, he's coming up though.
What'd he say?
He's coming up to the spikes.
Okay, the vehicle just went over the spikes. Spikes are clear, vehicle still. Number 1 lane, speeds are approximately 25.
McGuire, get behind Shane.
Suspect is identified as William McKay, 44 years old, San Bernardino County. And before we get to the chase, let me tell you something about McKay that will make everything that follows even more infuriating. This man had a violent criminal history dating back before the year 2000. Kidnapping, robbery, multiple assaults with deadly weapons. He even stabbed a California Highway Patrol dog, and just the year before this shooting, McKay had been convicted of a third strike offense. Under California law, that means 25 years to life. Mandatory. But we'll get back to that, because right now, McKay is doing 97 miles per hour on a public freeway, and he has no intention of stopping.
Number 1 lane approaching, so speeds are approximately 50 miles an hour.
Approaching Rubio.
So Alonzo just dropped out.
You guys, you are approaching heavy traffic to a stop.
Do you see a
I do
Bearcat?
not see a Bearcat.
Oh, here he comes. I think he's gonna come up on the right. So he's got a lane?
Yeah, we got a lane.
Yeah, he's got a
So
lane.
it's in the carpool lane, approaching Riverside, coming up on heavy traffic, just notice you number 2.
He's coming up.
Okay, on the right, you're right on the right. Vehicle just noticed from the number 2, number 3, looks like we're going to be getting off.
Ready.
Riverside.
Possibly exiting at Rubio.
Hey, Bearcat's trying to get in front of here.
That's it.
Shane, let that Bearcat in front of you. McGuire, move.
Watch the FedEx truck.
Got it.
We're all stopped on the left-hand side.
Got it.
Let these guys go.
Is he moving?
Hold on.
I'm not
That's on that end.
letting any other units go.
Good.
Check all of the northbound Rubio.
North Rubio. I didn't see him. He's
The bridge, number 2 lane.
Bearcat's up.
Northbound Rubio over the bridge, number 2 lane.
Got car stopped.
Heavy traffic, getting back onto the 60 westbound.
Going 60 westbound.
Back,
Bearcat behind him.
back on the 60 westbound.
Freeway, real heavy traffic.
Officers
He's
from
gonna
both
be
Riverside and San Bernardino County are now in pursuit. The radio is constant. Lane positions, traffic ahead, speed updates, every second. This isn't panic. This is precision. But McKay is weaving through heavy freeway traffic at nearly 100 miles per hour with innocent families all around him, trucks, cars, buses. He does not care. One officer says it best on the radio. This dude is a danger to all these poor people up here. He's armed. 1 mile ahead, spike strips are already being positioned. McKay is running out of road.
Copy. He's in the emergency lane block on the side of a looks like a retaining wall.
I have a
Paralleling the
so I'm
freeway.
not giving up
Off
any
canal.
miles.
In between canal and
Behind
60
us.
westbound.
He's gonna go wide.
Stay here because he's still.
Still heavy traffic, about 30 miles per hour.
He's circling this area. This is where it
Crossing
happened.
over Pacific, approaching Valley.
Or if he's got friendlies here, or what his status is.
Can't make it back in the house.
No, if he foot bails to a house, based on the totality of the circumstances, dude, we gotta stop him from doing that.
Still right shoulder, 30 miles per hour. Just past Opal, continuing westbound towards the Valleyway exit here.
Stand by for a pit.
2 lane now, in between a couple lanes, about 40 miles per hour. and traffic opened up a little bit.
And the trailing units start braking traffic in anticipation of a pit coming soon.
Stop traffic to the left.
Approaching Pirate and Granite Hill.
The Pyrite exit here.
Got things
Looks like there is some smoke coming out of the rear tire. Just lost it. The driver's side rear tire. Playing about 50 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, and moving over towards the right side of the number 3 lane now.
Make sure our speed's correct before we try that.
Contact. McKay drives straight over the spike strips. Rear tires blown instantly. Speed drops to 25 miles per hour. For a brief moment, officers think it's over, but McKay keeps going. Flat tires, heavy traffic everywhere. He moves to the shoulder and just keeps driving. Then the front tires blow too. Now he's on bare metal rims, sparks flying off the asphalt, 70 police units behind him, an armored Bearcat closing in from the front, K9 units ready, and this man is still not stopping. Pit maneuver after pit maneuver. Officers hit his vehicle from the side trying to spin him out, again and again. McKay absorbs every single hit.
We've got this concrete barrier, so it's a good backdrop, but keep your shots low if needed.
Over the bridge at Pyrite, number 1 lane, about 50 miles per hour, and light traffic.
This dude is a danger to all these poor people up here ahead. He's armed.
Everyone, looks like you have light traffic all the way up to the 60. In between the carpool and number 1 lane, light traffic.
He's trying to slow down a little bit. Yeah, 50.
Continue past that exit, it looks like. Number 2 lane, speeds are about 50 still, and light traffic.
Come on, Bearcat.
Romero and Ennis, you guys try to stay on the right side of the Bearcat. Dave, myself, and Segura will stay on the left side.
He's all the way over to the number 1 lane now, about 60 miles per hour, and very light traffic. They got the other side of the freeway shut down traffic.
The main pursuit effort consists of about 7 units plus K9s at Bearcat.
A few cars that entered the freeway at this on-ramp, but other than that, no traffic. 60 westbound, number 2 lane, about 50 miles per hour.
If he falls into pit speed, we can pit him on this off-ramp if it's possible.
It's like entering the 15 off-ramp. I'll advise north or south here in a second.
He's going 15 south. All right, 15 south. It's
He's going to take it south now.
By now, McKay has been driving on pure metal rims for several miles. The radio captures everything. His rims are disintegrating. Speed is down to 30 miles per hour. Officers are coordinating 2 waves of units. Primary pursuit package, secondary backup. The Bearcat is right behind him. Traffic has been cleared ahead. This is it. Everyone on that radio knows this ends here. But McKay has one final move left, and nobody is ready for it.
About 35 miles per hour. Got a pit, 10 pit. Looks like he's all the way down to the carpool lane now. About 30 miles per hour.
We're doing another pit, and he's going to spin over here, Brian, so heads up. I got you. He can go right into us. I got you. You just watch it. We're right behind him. He's slowing down. Don't pass him up.
Just under 10-2 Galeano coming towards the line tonight, all the way in the carpool lane.
Be careful bunching up, fellas. Careful bunching up, because if he TCs, we don't want to TC.
Spin right into us. I got you. We're going to have a little warning. I got good
Copy,
warnings.
passenger 10-2 approaching 11-8.
His rims are disintegrating. Should tell me pretty soon.
Hey, Patrol Black and Whites, I need you guys to fall out.
And if we could block those exits off of 6th and Lyman, it is headed that way. If he's down the rim, so we can block all that traffic entering the freeway. Carpool lane about 40 miles per hour now. Light traffic.
Launch me fairly, we got about 70 black and whites in this thing.
I want 2 waves. I want a primary pursuit package backed up by the second wave of ES units. I've got about 7 or 8 with me, and that's plenty right now. And then you guys just support us by running interference behind us.
Only ES units authorized into pursuit. Only ES units authorized into pursuit.
You got
Black
it.
and whites drop out. Black and whites drop out. We have a secondary ES pursuit package behind the initial.
Dispatch, if you could advise Fontana PD to fall out, please. Marshall 10, all patrol units currently engaged in the pursuit, 1022. All patrol units, black and whites, 1022.
A vehicle just passed. Mission, still eastbound 60. Please cross the 65.
McKay's truck is barely moving now, rims grinding on asphalt, smoke coming from the rear. Officers are closing in from all directions. And then the radio erupts. He's brandishing a handgun. 1 second of silence. Then shooting, shooting, shooting. William McKay opens fire on law enforcement officers on a public freeway, surrounded by innocent people. Officers return fire immediately, and McKay is shot and found deceased at the scene. The chase is over, but the anger is just beginning.
Just hit the truck is still going southbound very slow. Speeds through the center divider, moving all the way over to the right hand side. About 15 miles per hour.
Clear the air. He's brandishing a handgun. He's shooting.
Shooting.
Brandishing and shooting a handgun.
Get ready, buddy. Get ready. What we got?
2 feet right under the bridge.
Here we go.
2 feet under the bridge.
You with your dog. I'm going to take this group right here. We're going to move to the back of this Bearcat. You just hold what you got. Got it? You hold. You guys hold. Hey, you guys, whoever shot, make sure you reload.
Hey, I'm going to work with the team already. All the deputies on that side of you are code 4.
Okay, I want to take a look from the Bearcat in there so we can assess that. I'm going to take my small element and we're going to go to the back of Bearcat 4. You want us with you? Preferably, but I'm a shooter. So okay, we'll take it then.
None of us shot.
Yeah, we're good. Where's Mac at? I'll have him run it.
Sergeant Mac!
Hey, Mac. Mac, I'm a shooter, so you're going to have to replace me.
Mac. Am I deploying the dog, or are you guys manual, or what?
I'm good. Get over there.
Okay. Follow. Watch out. Excuse me. Off.
Officer Isaiah Cordderero never knew about William McKay's history. He never knew about the third strike, the reduced bail, the missed sentencing. He just saw a truck with no license plate and did his job. That night, dozens of motorcycle officers rode in complete silence through the streets of Riverside County. No sirens, no lights, just engines and a flag-draped casket. Somewhere, a family is still asking the same question we are. Why was William McKay free that day? Remember his name? Isaiah Cordderero?